What's good, that's again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure that thumbs up, subscribe button, be a part of this gang, because this gang is this gang, ball game, period. Why do I look blue? I don't know. There we go. Today I'm gonna get a facial and I look really weird. I don't know what it is. I haven't gotten a facial since COVID started, and even though like my skin is like pretty clear with the products that I've been getting from the spa that I go to, just a couple imperfections, but that's normal, right? Whatever. I love getting these because it's therapeutic to just sit there and have somebody play in your face, and it really feels like it's doing something. Plus hydrofacials is, to me, one of the best facials you can get. Yeah, I have that to do. Then I'm going to take out my hair. Because I have a hair appointment tomorrow and I'm gonna be a brand new bitch. So yeah, exciting. Not really, because I really hate washing my natural hair. I'm about to be late for my appointment as per usual, so let me get going. Okay, boom, I made it at 1:09, so I'm 9 minutes late. And I haven't eaten anything, I just realized, so I'm feeling really dizzy. I just got one of these like lip lotion, lip gloss hydrating thingy. It's called it says hydrating line lifter, and it's clear, and that's what I need. I've been using like lip Vaseline, and oh, this lighting is it, honey. But anyways, it doesn't work as well. Loving this elevator music. Gotta put this bandana on so she don't get my edges, even though my edges are not dead or whatever. You just get that spa type feel.
But girl, maybe it's the Boricua in you, because my skin looked great and your skin looks great.
Yeah. Well, I was using my products and everything. So.
You were? Mm-hmm. Amazing. That's all we can hope for. Oh, it feels so young.
Light stem light therapy panel.
Ooh. Yes, and it's gonna be bright, but it's gonna cover your whole face.
Okay. And
like this. Gloves. I'm gonna cover your eyes.
Gloves for my eyes.
Yeah, the eye gloves. I got you with the eye gloves. And
she's just so adorable.
Oh my gosh, I'm not looking cute
today. Especially with your curls.
Yeah, the curls take away from the glasses.
For the girls.
Curls for the girls, that's right. Nice. Gloves. It's gonna feel bright at first, because you're gonna get used to it. They're FDA approved goggles, so nothing's gonna happen to your eyes.
Oh yeah, that thing. It feels like a ring light.
Cool. Just keep them closed and you'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go clean up and I'll be right back.
Okie dokie, I'll be here. I feel absolutely weird. It feels like I'm staring directly at the sun with some goggles or something. I'll see you guys after I'm done. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about all of this and stuff. My face is literally glowing. Like, I know y'all saw how my face looked before I came here. Like, it looks super dull, super weird. And I mean, it still looks a little bit weird, but it looks so freaking clean. It feels so good. I feel awake, I feel alive. I feel like I need my edges. Sheesh. But I just ordered some pizza and I'm about to go pick that up. It's supposed to be the best in Atlanta, according to some people. And I also ordered some dinner for me and my boo. I gotta pick it up later tonight. It's gonna be a little thing. If you need a really good facial, come to Blue Divine and ask for the HydraFacial, and ask for Adriana, because she's going to get you right and she has the best personality. Her alone will make you want to come, besides the results, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna see you in a moment. All right, so it's literally like a week later. My stylist ended up canceling. Something came up on her end, So it's a week later and it is time. I get my hair done in a few hours. And of course I'll wait till the last minute to do anything. But I might have to take it out, deep condition my hair. I got some new products that I am dying to try to see if it works and all that stuff. I'm loving the tucking method. My hair has not came out really. Like this is very minimal compared to what it usually looks like. She did them really tight. But my hair is like really fine. So I'm not sure if this is just new growth or if they're sliding down. But either way, I don't like the way they look like when I put them up, and it's just time to take it out. So I'm gonna take these out and then we're gonna head over to my stylist's shop and see what she's working with. It's a complete surprise. I really don't know what color she's doing for sure. So I'm glad that my real hair kind of pokes through these, because then I have an idea of where I'm gonna cut, and I'm just gonna be safe and cut them down here. Oh snap, I forgot I'm making a TikTok. Killing two birds with one stone is my specialty. Shit it on. Shoes in the air if you fit it on them. He say I'm bad, he probably right asbestos. Yeah. I can do people when it's a side. Water is wet, come take a dive. Who had a beat? Who got a lot of D? Who poppin' like a penguin? I just a real ass bitch. Give a fuck about a trick. Turn your goofy down. Rap queens like Supreme, ass web and nitty. This is what we're looking like. It's been about an hour and a half taking this out. It feels so great to be able to touch my scalp. But my roots, it has like a bunch of product in it. So I'm about to wash it. I am currently trying to get all the knots out on the top. Oh my goodness. It did not need to take this long. It's been about 3-4 hours. Granted, I did take a TikTok scrolling break, but this is the worst part about doing my hair, because I have to be so gentle with it, and my hair just gets so matted up so fast. Boom! Hair is washed. This was also the first time that I used any type of products from Pattern. I didn't even know what this was. I was just finding something that looked like it was good in the curly hair aisle at Ulta, and I really must say I vouch for this shampoo. It says gently cleanses and hydrate, and I felt the hydrate versus, you know, Diva Curl. Diva Curl doesn't have any type of lather. It doesn't have any slip. This has a lot of slip. It's free of all the bad stuff, it says on the back of it. I hope that once I get to the bottom of the bottles that I will love it just as much. So yeah, just had to tell y'all that I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I'm not gonna film again until I get there because I'm running out of time. I'm gonna see you in a second. I'm here, I made it because I look bald headed right now. We didn't like braid it down, didn't have to sew it down, which is perfect because I ain't trying to break my hair, you feel me? We're making TikToks. I got her on the TikTok vibe, I got her on the YouTube vibe. There's a camera right here, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe to her channel too, because she might have some footage that I don't have, and vice versa. Make sure y'all follow Sunshine on the gram. What is it?
Shine International, SHYNE.INTL.
She's been doing my hair for the past, how long? Like 2 months?
Yeah.
She just didn't do the braids, but all the other looks been phenomenal. If y'all don't follow me on the gram, y'all need to follow me on the gram so y'all can see. Also on TikTok, she's gonna be on TikTok. I'm gonna make her be on TikTok, and y'all know I'm on TikTok, so yep, y'all finna see me TikToking it up for the both of us.
Maybe it's just because you're ugly. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Ooh, kinda.
Just gotta work on it.
Yeah. Wait, we gotta get it for yours.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that part is
Did I do it? That's all you do for your transition?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, you look cute.
Ooh, I'm gonna do well.
There we go. Cute. All right, we finished. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! She did that.
We did like a whole bunch of different styles, y'all.
Yeah.
We done curled it, cut it, all types of stuff.
It's almost 11 at nighttime, so we mad tired, but like we did a middle part, we did a side part, we did some plucking, we did some cutting, we did a bunch of different things. But you gotta follow her on TikTok to see that video. You gotta follow me on TikTok. You gotta add her on Instagram. I'll put all that information down below. I'm gonna try to keep this up for 2 weeks. I'm gonna come in for a touch
see
up.
if she do it for real.
I am. And then we was thinking about doing a bang, but we're like, hold on, let's ride this look
later.
Yeah. She did that thing. So if you're ever in the Atlanta area or close to Atlanta, y'all wanna make that trip, you're not gonna regret it. Period. She does that thing every single time. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know if y'all want me to film more videos like this. I probably am, regardless if you want it or not. But yeah, I'm done talking. We out.